Good day, students. This is mathematics class for grade 10, chapter 6 triangles. Exercise 6.5, page number 150 of your mathematics textbook. Problem number 3. In figure 6.53, so this is the figure 6.53, where ABD is a triangle right angled at A and AC is perpendicular to BD. Show that first one AB square is equal to BC into BD. Second, AC square is equal to BC into DC. And third, AD square is equal to BD into CD. So first let us write the given part. Given ABD is a right triangle and it is right angled at A. That is, angle A is equal to 90 degree and AC is perpendicular to BD. To prove, first let us prove the first one, that is AB square is equal to BC into BD. Proof: we know that if a perpendicular is drawn from the right angle of a right angle triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on both sides of this perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. That is, the triangle BCA will be similar to the whole triangle ABD, as well as triangle ACD will be similar to the whole triangle ABD. Similarly, triangle BCA will be similar to triangle ACD. Triangle BCA will be similar to triangle ACD. So now first one we have to prove AB square is equal to BC into BD. The side BC lies in triangle BCA, isn't it? Yes. The side BD lies in triangle ABD. So here triangle BCA is similar to triangle ABD. Next, in triangle BCA, we have angle C is equal to 90 degree and BA is the hypotenuse. BA is the hypotenuse. In triangle ABD, we have angle A is equal to 90 degree and BD is the hypotenuse. So which is the remaining vertex in triangle BCA? It is C. And which is the remaining vertex in triangle ABD? It is A. So this is triangle BAC and triangle BDA. So they are similar to each other. Triangle BAC is similar to triangle BDA. So these triangles and these triangles are one and the same. But why did I write in this form? Because if triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides will be proportional. We must be very careful while writing the corresponding sides. Here, The hypotenuse BA of triangle BCA should correspond to the hypotenuse BD of triangle ABD. So here BA is the hypotenuse and BD is the hypotenuse. Now it is easier for us to write the corresponding sides. So the corresponding sides will be BA by BD equal to AC by DA, which is equal to BC by BA. To prove AB square is equal to BC into BD, we need sides AB, BC and BD. So here we find AB, BC and BD. So let us take these two sides. They are BA by BD equal to BC by BA. So AB is nothing but BA. So when here BA is nothing but AB. So let us cross multiply. We get AB into AB, which is equal to BC into BD. So AB into AB is AB square, which is equal to BC into BD. And we have proved this, hence proved. Now let us prove the second one, that is AC square is equal to BC into DC. So second one, AC square is equal to BC into DC. So we have to prove this now. So prove side BC lies in triangle BCA, isn't it? Yes. And the side DC lies in triangle ACD. Now observe these triangles. Are they similar? Yes, triangle BCA is similar to triangle ACD. In triangle BCA, angle C is equal to 90 degree, isn't it? And here AB is the hypotenuse. And in triangle ACD, we have again angle C is equal to 90 degree. So here we have DA as the hypotenuse. So which is the remaining vertex in BCA? In triangle BCA it is C. And which is the remaining vertex in triangle DCA? It is C. So here triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. AB and DA are the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC and triangle DAC. So let's now write the corresponding sides. AB by DA will be equal to BC by AC, which is equal to AC by DC. So here AC square is equal to BC into DC. So we have to prove this. So we need the sides AC, BC and DC. So we have here AC, BC and DC. So let us take these sides. Yeah, BC by AC is equal to AC into DC. So let us cross multiply. We get AC into AC is equal to BC into DC. So AC into AC is AC square, which is equal to BC into DC. So we got AC square is equal to BC into DC. So hence proved. Is this clear, students? So third one is the homework problem. Is this clear to you all? Thank you, students.